Good morning, students. So I hope all of you understood the last 9 questions from the exercise 6.5, is not it? So these 9 questions are very simple question here. So in this class, we have to discuss another 2 questions, which one is question number 10 and question number 11. So if you see the question number 10 here, the question number 10 is given like in this way: find the maximum value of 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval 1, 3. Find the maximum value of the same function in the interval minus 3 minus 1. So first of all, here the function is given 2x cube minus 24x plus 107. Is not it? So if this function is here, with this function here, if you see the interval given, 2 close intervals are given. So one thing we know, when close intervals are given, so we have to apply which method? So the under this first derivative, one method is there, absolute maxima and absolute minima, is not it? With the help of easily we can find out the maximum value, is not? So that's why here we have to apply here the absolute maximum value and absolute minimum value method, and with the help of we have to find out the result. So first of all, for that reason, first of all, what you have to write here, we have to write down the function, and the function is here given fx. So first of all, here you have to write let fx equals to here 2x cube minus 24x plus 107. I repeat this one more time. This one is 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval, and the interval is given, in this case the interval is given 1, 3, and one more interval we have to find out here, minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. So we have to find out the maximum value for this function. If you see, we have to find out the maximum value for this function in interval 1, 3 and minus 3 minus 1. So let's see how can we do this one. So in this case, the procedure is same. What you have to do, first of all, we have to differentiate this one. Therefore, if you differentiate this one, f dash of x, so f dash of x equals to here, if you differentiate this one, 2 constant term, if you differentiate x cube, then we write here 3x square, is not it? So that's why we get this one is 6x square minus this one is 24 constant term ddx of x1. So 6x square minus 24 we get. So now here, after that, what you have to do? We have to write here f dash of x equals to 0. So f dash of x equals to 0 means, in this case, if you put this one, so that's why here we write 6x square minus of 24 equals to 0. Or this one equals to, here we write here 6x square. 6x square equals to 24. Or if you dividing both sides by 6, that means here x square equals to, here we get 4. Or this implies if you take the square root, x equals to, we get here plus minus 2. So if you see here, 2 critical points are we get. One is 2, another one is minus 2. So now here, in this case, one by one we have to find out. For the first interval, if you see, the first interval is here 1, 3. So for that reason, here in this case, when we have to consider the point, here we get 2 points. One is 2, another one is minus 2. So in the first interval 1, 3, which one is including? So obviously the positive one, is not it? So in between 1 and 3, the positive 2 including. So that's why, so when we have to write this one for interval, so that's why here we write for x belongs to 1, 3, here we have to choose which one? X equal to, so that's why here we write, we choose here x equals to 2. বুজি পাইছা সবে? ইন্টারভেল টু যেহেতু 1 আৰু 3 দিয়া আছে, তো ইয়াত ক্রিটিক্যাল পয়েন্ট দুটা দিয়া আছে, এটা 2 এটা -2, তো কোনটো ইনক্লুড হ'ব? 2 to include হ'ব, so that's why we write 2. So if we consider 2 here, and the end points are what? 1 and 3. The critical point we consider 2, and the end points are 1 and 3. So that means in how many values we have to find out here? 3 values. X or value yet keta thaibo, 3 ta thaibo. X equal to 2, x equal to 1, and x equal to 3. These two are known as endpoints, and this one is the critical point. So 8 inter karne ami eta ki korim? Value to uliam. And where we have to put this point? So we have to put this point on the given function. Code put koribo laibo, a given function to put koribo laibo. So therefore, if we put 1 by 1, so if you put first of all 1, and then the next end point is here we have to put 3. and the last one is here. Here karone critical point kiman asile 2 asile, so that's why here we have to put 2, and then we have to find out the value here. When we have to find out, when we put this one 1 here in the given function, so 2 into 1 cube minus this one we have to write 24 into 1 plus of 107. Is it clear? So in this case, when we put 3, then we have to write here 2 into 3 cube minus 24 into 3 plus 107. And the last one is here, we have to put 2. So that's why here we have to write here 2 into 2 cube minus 24 into 2 plus of 107. And now we have to calculate this result. And if we calculate this result here, f of 1 equal to we get 85, f of 2 equal to we get 75, and f of 3 equal to 89. So f of 3 equal to we get here 89. Is it clear? F of 3 value ahibo 89, f of 2 value ahibo 75, where is f of 2 equal to 75, and if we calculate the f of 1, the first one, f of 1 equal to we get here 85. So তোমালকে ক্যালকুলেট কৰি চাবা কিমান কিমান আহে ঠিক আছে f of 1 equal to 85, f of 2 equal to 75, and f of 3 equal to 89. So now here among all these three, 18 ভিতৰত সবতকে maximum কোনটো হয়? So obviously here 89. So here the maximum value for the positive 2 in this interval, the maximum value is how much? 89. At which critical point? The end point 3. Is it clear? Similarly, another interval is given. In this second case, -3 -1. So -3 -1 at kuntu critical point lies koi thaibo? Obviously -2. Isn't it? So that's why in this case, what you have to write? In the second time, we have to, if we choose the interval here, for x belongs to this one, we write -3 -1. If we choose this one, so now here what you have to write? We have to consider x equals to -2. In this case, we have to consider the critical point is x equal to -2, because -2 is lies between -1 and -3. So here how many critical points are finally we get? Here x equal to -2, and the end points are -3 and -1. Is not it? So here one by one we have to put on the this given function. So x equal to -2 here we have to put, as well as x equal to -3 here we have to put, and as well as x equal to -1 we have to put here. And when we calculate, finally we get the result is the highest value we get here in this case 139. তো সেকেন্ডটোৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকে নিজে কৰি চাবা, -2 ইয়াত এবাৰ পুট কৰিবা, -3 পুট কৰিবা, -1 পুট কৰিবা, আৰু পুট কৰি পেলাই তাত ক্যালকুলেট কৰি চাবা, তাত the maximum value to kiman paba 139. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood this one. Buji pala sabe? Okay. After completing the question number 10, so here one more question is remain, which one is question number 11. If you see the question number 11 is here, and the question number 11 is given like in this way. It is given that at x equal to 1, the function x to the power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value on the interval 0,2. That means the closed interval given here, and we have to find the value of a. So that means in this question already given, what given? The critical point given at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, whatever the function given here attains the maximum value. Is not it? So that's why first of all what you have to write? We have to write down we have to consider the function. So that's why here we write let fx equals to this one we write here x to the power 4 minus of 6x square plus of ax plus of 9. This one is the function, is not it? So the function is what? Fx equals to x to the power 4 minus 62x square. Sorry, this one is not 6, this one is 62x square. 62x square plus ax plus 9. And this one is the function, and at which point it is maximum? At x equal to 1. So at x equal to 1, the given function is maximum here. Is it clear? So in this case, what you have to do? First of all, the procedure is same. We have to differentiate this one. We have to differentiate this one with respect to x. So here, f dash of x. So f dash of x equal to, when we have to differentiate this one, ddx of x to the power 4 means we write this one is 4x cube minus ddx of this one is we have to write 124x plus of this one is a. A is the constant term, ddx of x is 1. Is it clear? So this one we get. So now here, now according to our procedure, all of you know what you have to do. F dash of x equal to 0 we have to consider, isn't it? So f dash of x. So f dash of x means here we have to write this one is 4x cube minus of 124x plus of a, we have to write 0. Is it clear? So now one thing you see here, already in this question, one thing mentioned here, what? The function is maximum at x equal to 1. So no need to verify here, just we have to write down here because the function is already maximum at maximum. So that means the function is already maximum at which point? So at x equal to 1. Isn't it? So that means at x equal to 1 means this x equal to 1 we have to put here in this given function. The function is already maximum at x equal to 1. So that's why here what we have to write? F dash of x. So in place of x we have to write 1 here. So therefore if we write this one is f dash of 1 equals to 0. So f dash of x means already we know. So f dash of x means what? This one is the result. So that's why here we have to write 4 into 1 cube minus 124 into 1 plus of a equals to 0. Isn't it? So this one we write 0 here, and ultimately from here what we get? If we calculate, the answer is 4 minus 124, 120. So that's why a equals to, we get here 120. Is it clear? So here in this question already mentioned the function is maximum at x equal to 1. So what is the condition of maximum? So f dash of x is greater than 0. So that's why just in place of x we have to write 1. X or jagat ami 1 put koilu, 1 put koi pela ami jeta calculate koilu, yar par result a er value kiman ahile 120 ahile. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood this one. So this type of lots of questions are there. Enoka type of bahut question thaibo pare. Yatte tumalko aro eta condition hobo pare, maximum at x equal to 1. So maximum at x equal to 1 means what? So that means the condition for the first derivative, the condition is what? When we get maximum, maximum condition is this one. You see here, f dash of x is greater than equals to 0. So this one is the decreasing function and condition as a maximum. So in case of first derivative greater than or decreasing hole less than. So that means here maximum. So that means f dash of x is greater than equals to 0. So in, because here already critical point 1 given, so f dash of x is greater than f dash of 1 greater than equals to 0. So greater than equals to, here two conditions are there, equal or greater than. So we have to find out the exactly the value of a. So that's why here we consider the equal part, not the greater than one. Tamne maximum value to ki hobo 120 hobo, tatke besi hobo. So here it exactly at a point like this. So that's why here a equals to 120. All of you understood this one? So I hope all of you understood these two questions. So in our next class we have to continue this exercise. So your task is you have to copy these two questions properly, or if any queries or any questions are there, you can ask me. Hudibo para kiba jodi doubt thake. ঠিক আছে? Okay, thank you.